So once again, welcome to Plod with me. Just to let you know the little oasis that you might want to visit. It's about less than 5 minutes walk away from the Tower of London, probably only 2 or 3 minutes, and this is St Dunstan in the east. I'm going to use this and I'm going to film myself walking around it. It's very popular for people doing photography. You sometimes see amateur models and stuff doing photography here, but it's just a nice place to sit and chill out. You're away from the main road. It's that nice of a place for taking photographs that even a barely trained monkey like me with a camera can usually get some decent photos. So honestly, well worth a visit. Now, if you like these videos and you like, getting these little hints and tips, then do me a favour and subscribe just down there, and I'll keep making more of them. Thank you very much. This is Colin at Plod with me. Okay, here we go for a nice little stroll round St Dunstan in the east. And of course, just as a helicopter appeared. And there you go, we are back where we started. So basically, this is a church that was destroyed in the Blitz. I believe it was also destroyed in the Great Fire and then rebuilt, and then it got destroyed in the Blitz in World War II. And it was one of a number of churches that got destroyed in that way that weren't rebuilt. But instead, they found this very imaginative use for it, and turned it into a public park. And it's listed on a number of websites as one of the secret London places. Doesn't not known by a lot of people, and certainly the vast majority of tourists who come to the Tower of London nearby don't seem to know about it. But it's a nice little stop-off place to sit and just chill out if you've been doing a bit of strolling about around London and doing the usual sightseeing. Well, that is St Dunstan in the East, and I hope you've enjoyed this. So as I say, if you want to see more footage like this, if you could just subscribe for me down below. If you want to do a walking tour with me on a most Saturdays and Sundays, there's a link down below to that as well on the We Got Tickets link. So that's this little piece of film over with, and stick with me and I'll be showing you more bits of London that you might not know about, and some that you probably do know about, but hopefully might show you some interesting facts. Okay, it's Plod with me signing out.